What is up, everyone? We're going to do an unboxing today and kind of a happy Thanksgiving before Thanksgiving. I'm going to do a dual video where we do an unboxing and we say happy Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving and unboxing. And happy Thanksgiving. Kim should be walking by at some point. She'll say it as well. Even though we already said it in the last video. There she is.
I didn't do it. Shh. Hi guys.
What do you say?
Hi guys. I didn't do it? Oh yeah, happy Thanksgiving. I wasn't sure what video you were doing.
We're doing a happy Thanksgiving video.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And
Happy Turkey Day.
kind of a combination. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh man. Happy Thanksgiving unboxing. Okay, so yes, I know this really only applies to U.S. people, but we hope y'all have a good holiday. We have two lever handles. Hey. I used the last one in my truck the other day, so I needed to add a couple more. And I've actually got the non-clutch version, but I sell both clutch and non-clutch. Ooh, American padlocks. Yay! These are the A701s. We're not really going to do a stocking, but... Get out of there. Yeah. Oh, puppy! It's kind of stuck in the boxes. Hold on. There we go. A701. This is the big boy. The big boy. So like we talked about in another video, these are all going to have to come out to get their little doodads. Most of the time I have to rekey these anyway, so I just leave them on my key. Almost 90% of the ones we sell have to be rekeyed. Puppy. So I got to take them apart and add the wafers in the back. I'll just leave them out of the box. Not too many mailbox locks today, but added 10 more. I'm just going to hang these up real quick just to get them out of the way. Just to get them out of the way. Looks like we have 5 there. You don't have any in the back? They all up here?
All up there.
All right. I think we got about 15 right now, though. That should hold us till Monday. Or Tuesday. And, I don't know, I shouldn't have moved. A couple sets of Kwikset mortise cylinders. These are standard storefront style mortise cylinders, 1-inch Kwikset keyway with Adams Rite cam. 2 come together key to like, so you get these 2 key to like. 2 of those. I just did not have any in the Kwikset keyway. And spacer rings for those. Spacer rings 861F-28-10. One of these 2 is the finish. I think it's the 28. The F is the width. These are, I don't know offhand, only 5/16 or something like that. If you're using 1-inch good quality mortise cylinders on a narrow style storefront door like that, then you would use the F most of the time. There are variables, but F is the most common one. And lastly, these were a special order. Oh, and they happen to come in a restock on our keys. Oh, I didn't get the one that I really wanted either. Oh, I did get these though. These will be pretty popular. Let's take a look at those because that is it in the box. So again, not much of an unboxing. This is more of a, hope everybody has a good holiday week. Hopefully you don't have to work any much. The one I'm waiting on is a kind of an octagon head. And apparently they didn't show up, but these are actually going to be pretty popular, even though they're kind of plain looking. But these are solid brass, by the way. They just have that coating. So these are the 3 new designs. Yay! Not new, 3 restock designs. We stocked these too, but this one's new. So we are gonna go hang these up real quick and throw the handles in the truck and we'll be done. Okay, so besides, we'll go hang these keys up as part of it. So besides that extra 1 bag that I have coming in, and I actually don't have any of these, I'm gonna go ahead and double check my numbers up here. 2734, 2127, 3 of those.
Oh, her too. I ain't got nothing to worry. How are you today?
Good.
Been to 4 places.
Okay.
I was recommended to come here for and see if I had any luck.
Okay.
Got a padlock.
How many do you need?
These 2.
Yeah. Where were we? Hanging these up. Looks like I'm gonna have to put 1 back there. So I don't know why I added those to the order, but good. 34, 34, and 2635, which I do not have a tag for yet. So we're gonna say 3F2635. Oops. I've got a lot coming in for these. Actually, should have shown up today, to tell you the truth, but it has not yet. We do a lot of these keys mailed in, so we have a good selection aside from the one that not quite, but kind of looks like that. We are flush on these keys. Oh look, here we do have this. Oh, I got a thumbs down on my Q video, y'all. That's horrible. It's totally unexpected. Oh, these are the ones that I got coming in, except I think they're supposed to be bright brass. And this is actually 2 different colors. I don't know if these are the same ones or not, but we're gonna sell them as all the same color. There we go. We are flush with those keys. This actually needs to come up here. I'm gonna have to make some more room here. Looks like I'm gonna need to do another row. Move some of those up, move some of these down, get these up along here and label them as well. So yeah, there we go. Unboxing and happy Thanksgiving again. Right, Kim?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody in the U.S. Everybody that's not in the U.S., non-happy Thanksgiving. Have a great weekend. Hopefully we'll see y'all on Saturday Morning Live. Even though our shop's closed tomorrow in limited hours, Saturday I'll be here all day. So I do plan on doing Saturday Morning Live 4D1. Are we on 41? Anyway, y'all have a great one.